Lola.
Like you?
It's 4 years old.
Let's see what happens. Oh!
That's Nathan on my brother's wedding. The ring bearer.
Ring
The ring bearer.
What's a ring bearer?
He carries the ring to the
To the altar. When somebody's gonna get married.
to the ones who are getting
Where's the
on.
Yes, sir.
Tito
Photo?
getting married.
I can't see.
I can't see. Sorry.
Nisha, you can
There.
see.
What?
You there?
See it.
Oh,
There's Nathan.
have you been
There's
to a wedding?
Nathan with mommy.
I've been to a wedding. I want to follow you. I want to follow you.
Hi, baby.
Okay.
And there's Nathan on his first train ride in Canada.
Oh, that's when you went to Canada. Ayla, listen.
He got bored. He's becoming sleepy. And there's him at the train station.
Ayla.
South America.
Oh, where's Canada?
Wow, there's no.
At sister's backyard, they're playing snowballs with his cousins.
Who's your cousin?
Pinsan.
You forgot.
There.
Oh,
He's getting ready
what is
to play with the sled. Sled?
A sled.
He's going to slide down the snow. Oh.
And there he goes! He crashed.
And then he crashed.
He
to the
crashed.
building.
No, there's no building.
But he's okay. See? Okay.
Okay.
That's about it.
Next na
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi baby. Tra-la-la. The sun.
Now he's 5 years old.
Hi baby. Nathan, come. You can go with them. Nathan.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Nathan.
Now, sing happy birthday dear around the cake, okay?
Ay.
Where do we stand?
First to give away.
One square away. Of the cake. One square
Hindi, yung phosphoro. Phosphoro. Ayun.
Light on the candle.
Ayla, one square. Stay away from the
Although it's only one candle, but it says 5. See that? Number 5. So Nathan is 5 years old.
Ito net.
Come on.
Okay. Are you ready to sing? Okay, let's sing.
Nathan, go! Miss Lola. It's eating time here at Montessori.
You know I eat beef? Yes. Me too. And I also love to eat burgers.
Okay, kain na muna kami. Signing out.